here. Then after go to the first field, formatted background. So the background formatting need to select the yellow color, and this is not looks cool. So let's select this one. Change to the 40% zoom, 60%, 59%. That's perfect. After that, part is okay. Then go to the insert thereafter select the shape button and use rectangle. If you I'll do quickly because I already did it in previous video. You can watch my video there. I explained each and every steps. And now after this, see this, after this I just go to the close it, and this one is automatically background would be so detail. If you want to see detail shape, you can just see my previous video. You will be able to find that, and also will mention the link as well in background. So let's add the button here. So for button, just click on button, blank button, and now also I'm going to format that. After come to the button text, use clear. This button will help me to clear the all filter. Later on we'll fix it, and I want outline to be displayed not a blank in a different color, so I use that. Okay, now perfect. Now the time come to add the slicers. So the slicer part, just click on slicer, adjust the slicer, and now select the value of the slicer any. So I want to give the category here, and thereafter go for a setting. I want to see as a drop down, add the select all option. I want to go to the control, cancel it, select all. I already explained these things in a previous video. Before just video, I will give the link in below in this video also. You can check it now. Then after go to the change this. So for this, add the title as well. So for this title, and you can format the title as well. Let me format the title. I want to display the white color and background to be yellow. Close the slicer header option so that it won't be displayed here. We'll do the more formatting in Visu. Slowly, and after done. And I don't want to see the background here. So for this, you can just scroll down, click on slicer, scroll down here, and change the background color. And now say this, it will not display here. But category header title is going white, so I want to change as a black color so that it will display properly. So for this, go to the slicer and select the black color. Oh, sorry, background change to the white, and font color to be changed to the black. Yes, dark black. Little bit. Yes, little bit lighter. Yes, that's perfect. And then copy and paste it. Just copy and paste how many you want. Then I will do the copy. And I don't want to give the white color title background. So for this, One, four. Wanted to give the remove and add date. And then select the date here. With that, the date select the location and remove the category. Copy the name by clicking twice. Then go to title. Remove the category, copy it, title, paste it. Perfect. And nothing more is required here. So almost all filter has been added successfully. And I want this button to be work properly. So for this, I would like to check this one. Then go to the slicer header, click here, and then cancel it. Then go to the view, bookmark, add bookmark to update it, and also to rename it. Let's rename page 2. Let's write page 2. And then click on button, go to the action and select the bookmark here. See this bookmark and then select the page 2. And now first part is completed. And let's see. Suppose let me close it this one. So format, go to the format, close slicer header. I don't know because header already is given. Then save it. And suppose I want to give any filter on all tabs, automatically it will remove it. Say this. You can just click here and it will remove it. Next that we are looking for the visual. So for this, select the visual, adjust it a little bit. Say this, then give the smallest space here so that looks can be better. Let's say this. Now use the category and then amount come to the value level. So go to here, change to the value, and I want it to be sum because it's sum is good time. So this is the normal by category, but I wanted to break down in multiple, so you can select subcategory also. Say this way you can change it, and it's really looks can be better. Next, suppose I wanted to give the category for it, so I already created the category by using DAX function. So for this, we have amount column. I wanted to amount to become category 1, category 2, category 3, and category 4. So by using switch function, I give the if switch is true, then data amount is less than equal to 500, then cat 1. If this one is 600 and greater than 600, then cat 3, else cat 4. If any condition doesn't match, then comes 4. And same thing I copy it. Same thing, I copy it and create the major slicer as it is, but I wanted to add the sorting column for this. So just everything is same, just I change the number. We'll give the category, change the number to sort it, so that it will come in sorting sequence like this. See this. If it doesn't come, I wanted to control start from third to one, so also I can do that. So how will you see this? Let me select that, and I want this to be sorted by sorted by subcategory. So this, and here you can select the category ascending. Let's select the tooltip, then come here. Say this third one. So means if you need to change it, yes you can. Not a big deal. And I wanted to change by category, so also I can do that. Descending, you can select descending, ascending as per your requirements, and this way you can use the functionality, and definitely you can do that. Also, if you want to further break it, so you can break it by giving the category, but not more than that. You can give only one subcategory here. And first is cancel. We have three category. Complete have three category. Process has three categories, and schedule has three categories. Simple measure. This tax function you can get it below on this videos. I can paste there. You can use it. Also, I'm going to add in a view page so that you can view it also in the last of the video. This all image to be displayed there. So let me know if you, while creating this, if you get any problem, just let me know. And if you have any question, please share your comments. Thank you so much for watching my video. Have a great day.